What's up my people, how una dey? Today I don't carry another update carry come. So for some time now, some of my community members don dey talk say make I talk about this particular platform here, and today I won't come share my opinion about this particular platform. But before I continue, I just want make una know say that platform where I talk about last time where then they call Gem Gala, so I be don comot small thing from that particular platform and I don't gather small thing again from the platform. So if you no been check that video, make sure you go check that particular review so that you go see. And I be don't do the tutorial. I been promising I say I go do I don't do the tutorial. I drop for my cirrden account. Make una no vex. I know they drop tutorial for YouTube just to be safe on YouTube. So I beg make una join my cirrden account so that now go fit dey collect my tutorial. And if you dey see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, they talk about different updates. If I don't use updates, the thing they work for me, I go talk about them. If I want try new update, I go talk about them. If you want collect update for me, make sure say you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel so that if I drop new updates, YouTube will ring you say new update don't drop. And don't forget to comment happy Christmas for comment section. I want make we talk about this particular update here where then they call Crazy Rock. Then they call them Crazy Rock. And I beg make you know say this one review I come to do based on what I don't see about the platform, based on my experience. This one no be tutorial. I they drop tutorial for my cirrden account, or you join my community on Telegram. So today we go talk about what be Crazy Rock and what be their earning potential, what are some of their earning methods, and what be some of the pros and cons we I found out about this particular platform. So now what we go talk about with that, then I go come here, can drop my ratings. I they like rate them well based on how I observe them. First of all, before I continue, make una no forget I won't change my Gem Gala rating. I've been rated 5/10, but now I go rate 7/10 because I don't come on my small thing, you understand? So today make we talk about this particular platform where they call Crazy Rock. And I beg mind you, no be everything I go show now for my screen. Just for safety reasons, most of the conversations go they oral, you understand? But if you want make I do tutorial, just comment tutorial, and I feed you the step-by-step tutorial drop for cirrden given based on how this particular update can show face. This platform then they call them Crazy Rock. Based on waiting at the see here, now platform will be say if you play games, you know, this game they funny, but it's actually entertaining. This one now come in say you get two options. If you decide to use Crazy Rock just to play the game and entertain yourself, according to waiting then talk, then get rewards here within they give you as you they play the game they go, you understand? If they use them for entertainment purposes, and you feed also the use them just to collect their reward. Now two different reasons be that way anybody fit get to use this particular platform. The first thing here why they see be say around 1,500 where they go give you if you use person code carry register for the platform. Now waiting and talk with that. Waiting and no specify be say if the money they withdrawable. Besides, I notice say the minimum withdrawal be that, but we will talk about this once later. Get something here where they call skin. This skin now where if you come you can't change your character in cloth. Your character and skin, if you change them to anything we want, change them based on waiting me they see here personally. And another thing where they get here, go see all this email icon where we say if they send you email, you go see them there. They get two different kind of currency, then get real currency, and they also get coin. So as they play the game, they go they rank up so many levels on the platform. Now waiting I notice be that, and each of the game where you play, then go they subtract this particular energy come out from your account, then get waiting in the call mission. If you come they do a lot of stuff for this their mission part, make you they collect. Now waiting then talk with that. Then get another thing where they call grand prize. So this particular grand prize I never check them, but now the first time why they open them with this, and I can't notice say if you pass level 5 you could collect some amount of something for the platform. If you pass level 30 to collect another something again. Me now I don't pass level 5, so the next one here na invite. Now under invited then get rewards for every invite. Now waiting then get here be that then to say if you invite people and each of those people then pass level 5, each of those people then pass level 5, say they will give you 1,500 plus 1 love point. So waiting be some of the pros and the cons of the platform. So the first thing I like about the platform is say, so even if you don't want play for reward, if you just they play the game here, they entertain yourself. The next thing I like about the platform is say then get different tax for the platform. You know, will just depend on the game alone. And another thing I like about the platform is say they get affiliate program where we say if you invite friends and they collect different different rewards on the platform. So wetin be some of the things I don't like about the platform? Number one be say if you be new person, you know go dey easy to understand them as fast as possible. They say their minimum withdrawal based on wetin they see na $9. Another thing I no con like about the platform be say if you no get PayPal, you no fit withdraw. Means say people wey dey Nigeria we no fit access PayPal, they no go fit withdraw except you get PayPal account. Another thing I no con like about the platform be say if you withdraw, you no go receive them as fast as possible. Sometimes it takes 7 days and sometimes a lot longer than that. But apart from that, the platform makes sense, sure, and that's something where be say if you do, you understand for your spare time. So waiting be my ratings. If I want to rate this particular platform, waiting me personally, I go rate this platform. Some of my community members don't withdraw from the platform, so I feel give them 6/10, right? I feel give them 6/10 because personally I never withdraw. I know say people don't withdraw, but personally I need to withdraw my own before I feel I show anybody anything. You understand? So now so the platform there. And another thing we say based on when you watch this video, well, if you do your own small research, because some of these platforms they work now, they know me see go work later. So some of them they normal now, some of them no they normal later. So based on all these kind of things, just do small research for yourself so that you go know if the thing still they active, happy you know they active. Apart from that, make sure you join my cirrden account in case I drop the full tutorial and then I go notify when I say the tutorial don't drop. So join my cirrden account if you check out other updates and other information, important information where I go drop there give on that. So now so this platform there, tell me what you think about this platform for comment section. They call them crazy rock. You don't use them before, I be never use them before. In the workout for you, I be know the workout. Just share your opinion for comment section. I go see you now for my next video and bye for now.